How to gather and present evidence in car accident lawsuits involving poorly marked bicycle lanes in Tennessee. Car accident lawsuits involving poorly marked bicycle lanes in Tennessee require a meticulous approach to gathering and presenting evidence. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to navigate this specific scenario. 1. Document the accident scene. Begin by documenting the accident scene, focusing on the poorly marked bicycle lane. Take photographs or videos that clearly depict the condition of the lane, surrounding signage, and any factors contributing to the poor visibility or marking. 2. Obtain police reports. Obtain the official police report related to the car accident. The report may contain valuable information regarding the conditions at the time of the accident, statements from involved parties, and initial assessments of fault. 3. Identify responsible parties. Determine the entities responsible for maintaining and marking the bicycle lane. This may involve local municipalities, transportation departments, or private entities. Identifying the responsible parties is crucial for establishing liability. 4. Consult accident reconstruction experts. Engage accident reconstruction experts to assess the dynamics of the accident. Experts can analyze the poorly marked bicycle lane's role in the collision and provide technical insights to support your case. 5. Evaluate compliance with standards. Assess whether the poorly marked bicycle lane complies with safety standards and regulations. Non-compliance may strengthen the case for liability. Familiarize yourself with relevant safety guidelines applicable to bicycle lanes in Tennessee. 6. Gather eyewitness testimonies. Collect eyewitness testimonies regarding the conditions of the bicycle lane at the time of the accident. Eyewitness accounts can provide additional perspectives on the role of the poorly marked lane in causing or contributing to the collision. 7. Medical documentation. Document injuries resulting from the car accident involving the poorly marked bicycle lane. Medical records, photographs of injuries, and estimates for vehicle repairs are crucial for establishing the impact of the poorly marked lane on the victims. 8. Explore comparative negligence. Consider the potential role of comparative negligence. In Tennessee, if the injured party is found partially at fault, their compensation may be reduced. Assess whether the poorly marked bicycle lane contributed to the accident and if the injured party exercised reasonable care. 9. Legal research. Conduct legal research to understand precedents and relevant laws in Tennessee. Familiarize yourself with cases that involve poorly marked infrastructure, such as bicycle lanes, and explore how courts have interpreted liability in similar situations. 10. Environmental factors. Consider environmental factors that may have influenced the visibility or condition of the bicycle lane, such as weather conditions, time of day, or surrounding infrastructure. These factors can contribute to the overall assessment of liability. 11. Expert testimonies. Engage expert witnesses, such as traffic safety professionals or civil engineers, to provide testimonies. Their expertise can help clarify technical aspects and establish a connection between the poorly marked bicycle lane and the accident. 12. Legal representation for victims. Provide legal representation for victims affected by the car accident involving poorly marked bicycle lanes. Advocate for compensation for injuries, medical expenses, and other losses resulting from the inadequately marked lane. 13. Negotiation and litigation. Engage in negotiation with responsible parties or their insurance carriers. If a fair settlement cannot be reached, be prepared for litigation. A strong legal case will support your efforts in seeking justice for the victims impacted by the poorly marked bicycle lane. By following these steps, lawyers can effectively gather and present evidence in car accident lawsuits involving poorly marked bicycle lanes in Tennessee. This approach aims to hold responsible parties accountable and secure compensation for the victims affected by the inadequately marked infrastructure.